Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add salary in Zoho Books. So, while Zoho Books does not handle payroll or salary processing directly because it's primarily an accounting tool, not a payroll system. However, you can still record salary expenses manually to reflect them in your books. And this is how you can do that. So, of course, head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Purchases, then click on Expenses. And from here, we're just going to record the salary as an expense. Just click on Record Expense. So from here, we're just going to need to fill in the details regarding the salary, especially prioritize the fields that is highlighted as red because these are the required details, starting with the date. So we're just going to choose a date of the salary to be paid and also choose the expense account. So from the drop down menu, we're just going to search for salaries and employee wages. Just click on this. Next is also the amount. Make sure that you choose the correct currency and then enter in the amount. And also the amount is if it's tax inclusive or exclusive. The next is this is paid through. We're going to select so we can try and choose the salary paid through petty cash and also fill in these details about the salary and also the customer name or probably the employee name you're going to pay the salary to. Then once done, just click on save. And the expense has now been recorded. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!